Most people who use AI like ChatGPT don't actually understand what AI is, how it works. But when you understand even the basics, you can use these tools 10 times better, whether it is text AI, image AI, or even video AI. So in today's video, I'll break down what AI actually is, the type of AI you can use right now, and how they really works in a simple language. Stick with me till the end. You will feel seriously like a pro. AI is totally buzzword right now. Anything gets slightly smart called AI, like autocorrect, robots, and even your fridge. But here's the truth. AI is not a super genius brain. Instead, most AI today is just a really good at one specific task, like writing text, recognizing image, generating videos, or generating music. Think AI like umbrella. Under the umbrella, we have many small sticks. Similarly, under the AI, we have tools like ChatGPT or other language models, image generator, audio and video AI, voice assistant and productivity AI. It's all our core of an AI. AI simply means a system that can spot pattern, solve problems and make prediction in a way that looks like intelligent, but it has no feeling, no consciousness, no real thinking. It is just following math and predicting the next best result. It is quite impressive but not a magic. How does AI actually work? Most modern AI runs on something called neural network. Here is the simple version. AI is trained massive amount of data, like text, images, audios and videos. It keeps guessing answer. When it gets wrong, it adjusts itself. This happens millions, sometimes billions of times. Eventually, it becomes very good to recognizing the pattern, and once it's trained, you give the prompt that predicts the best result. That's it. Type of AI you can use right now. Here is the main AI tool available today. Large language model like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. Image AI like DALL-E, Midjourney, Firefly. Audio generator, music plus voice to speech. Video generator and editor. Voice assistant, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Productivity AI inside tools like email apps and CRMs. Let's quick break them down. Large language models. These tools like ChatGPT, they use something called transformer. That basically means they break your sentences into pieces, check which word relate to each other, and predict to most likely next word. Let's ask to AI like ChatGPT, what shape is a wheel? Let's see the result. The model analyzes the word shape and wheel and predict the most likely result, that is circle. It works because it has millions of examples. But remember, for model, it's not the word. It is just a number and probability. Let's see how to prompt AI. In an AI, good prompting gives the best result. Here are the golden rules. Be descriptive to give context to AI. Tell the model the format and audience. Use a role play like act a lawyer, marketer or a teacher. Set the limit that need to avoid. And remember, more detail gives the better output. Now let's understand AI image generator. Image AI works differently. It learns shape, color, pattern, texture and many things. And then when you type prompt, it creates new image from scratch. Usually it starts from a random noisy images. Then it refining step by step. And that is called diffusion model. Different tools shine in different ways. DALL-E is easy and beginner friendly. Midjourney gives a super detail and artistic. Adobe tools have great control and editing. Now, the golden rule of AI. No matter what tool you use, always remember, clear input, better output. Be descriptive, gets better result. Practice improves your prompting skill. So now, if you found this video helpful and want more tutorials on AI, make sure to hit like button and subscribe.